Good day, everyone. Today we'll discuss the North-South divide, the gap between wealthy and the developing nations. With me are Jade from the Global North and Justine from the Global South. Let's begin. First question. What are the main economic differences between the Global North and the Global South?
Countries in global north have advanced industry and strong economics and higher living standards.
Meanwhile, many countries in the global south still rely on agriculture and have limited access to technology and stable jobs.
Next, how has colonialism contributed to the development of the North-South divide?
Colonialism drained our natural resources and left our country struggling after independence.
Yes, the global north gained early economic advantage from systems which still affect global inequality today.
Next, how has globalization impacted the North-South divide?
Globalization creates new trade and business opportunities, but developed nation benefits more from it.
That's true. Developing countries often face unfair trade systems and stay dependent on richer nations.
What are the key challenges faced by developing countries in the Global South?
Poverty, limited education, unemployment, and debt are major problems that slow down our progress.
This challenge makes it harder from south to complete equality with developed nations.
What is the role of international organizations in addressing the North-South divide?
Groups like United Nations and World Bank provide funding and development support.
Yes, but they should focus more on fair cooperation instead of loans that increase our financial burden.
Lastly, how can developed countries contribute to reducing the North-South divide?
By promoting fair trade, sharing technology, and supporting education.
And by helping developing countries become self-sufficient, not dependent.
Thank you, Jade and Justine. This discussion shows that solving the North-South divide requires fairness, cooperation, and shared responsibility among all nations. Thank you.
Thank you.